Today, we're diving into the features of the 2024 upgraded 4K digital camera, perfect for photography and vlogging enthusiasts. This camera boasts a cutting-edge CMOS chip, delivering stunning 48 megapixels images and 4K Ultra HD videos, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its built-in flash. The 3-inch 180-degree flip LCD screen is ideal for self-vlogging, allowing you to frame your shots with ease. With advanced autofocus and 16x digital zoom, capturing clear and precise images is a breeze, no matter the lighting. The camera comes with 2 batteries and a charging stand, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, and it features a hot shoe mount for additional accessories like flashlights and microphones. Plus, it doubles as a webcam for live streaming and video calls, with HDMI output for easy playback on your TV. Loaded with features like anti-shake, time-lapse, and slow motion, this multifunctional camera is your go-to device for all your creative needs, backed by a dedicated 24/7 customer support team. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.